an object that defies the laws of physics. This interstellar object behaves like no comet we've ever seen before. NASA detected a strange movement behind the sun, and now some scientists believe this isn't just a comet. It might be a visitor. It was October 29, 2025. An interstellar object named 3I Atlas reached its closest point to the sun. Up until that moment, it looked like an ordinary comet, but right at its perihelion, something unexpected happened. 3I Atlas started to accelerate, away from the sun. Yes, you heard that right.
It accelerated.
The data was clear. Its speed was increasing as it moved away from the sun. That shouldn't be possible. Gravity should be pulling it back. Yet something seemed to be pushing it forward. But how could that be? When Oumuamua was discovered back in 2017, it behaved in a similar way, speeding up as it left the sun's pull, then vanishing mysteriously into the dark. But 3I Atlas is different, because this time NASA has far more advanced observation data. Those readings make one thing clear. This acceleration isn't what a normal comet does. It's as if some unseen force is pushing it. One group of astronomers said, "This is normal. Heat from the sun causes ice to vaporize and the gas pushes the comet back." A reasonable theory until Harvard's Avi Loeb ran the numbers, and the result was shocking. If that explanation were correct, 3I Atlas would have to lose around 10% of its total mass. That's billions of tons of gas. Yet telescopes observed no such cloud. So if this force isn't coming from gas, what else could it be? To some scientists, the motion of 3I Atlas looks more like a maneuver, as if it were driven by a propulsion system. In other words, not a natural event but a technological signature. Even the direction of acceleration resembled the firing pattern of a mechanical engine. And here's the strangest part. This acceleration occurred exactly when 3I Atlas was hidden behind the sun, meaning no one could actually see what happened. When telescopes began tracking 3I Atlas again, its brightness suddenly spiked and its color turned blue. Normally, comets glow in reddish hues because their dust and gas reflect sunlight that way. But 3I Atlas shone like a metallic surface, as if reflecting something hotter than the sun itself. The astronomy and space science community is still in shock. Some called it a reflection glitch, but the same color shift was confirmed by 3 different telescopes. Coincidence? Impossible. Mark your calendars, December 19th, 2025. That's when 3I Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth. NASA is preparing its entire network of observatories for that moment. If a massive gas cloud is detected that day, the conclusion will be simple: it's just a comet. But if nothing appears, then we're looking at a non-gravitational force, possibly the biggest turning point in modern astronomy. NASA is cautious for now. It looks like a comet, it acts like a comet, it's probably a comet. But Avi Loeb disagrees. The data is clear. Brightness, color, acceleration, too consistent to be natural. Maybe it's a natural phenomenon, or maybe it's intelligence watching us from afar. And perhaps we've been looking in the wrong direction all along. Maybe it's just a natural event, or maybe an interstellar visitor. This December we'll find out the truth. Until then, remember, the silence of the universe can sometimes be a signal. And if this really is a visitor, we may have already been seen. So, tell me, is 3I Atlas just another comet, or something far more mysterious? Leave your thoughts below, because this story isn't over yet. And if your curiosity's still burning, subscribe, because the next file is even stranger.